going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Bard Chuckin. We have a soil factory here that had Bokashi added to it, so this is going to be the first look. It's sitting for a month, so now we're going to check it out. Wow, it's got some worms in here too. Holy cow, we got a lot of worms, which is cool. Not everything's broke down yet, but this can get added to our garden. Dig a trench, add this in, and it'll continue to break down. This having a bunch of worms in it already, which is pretty cool. We're going to take this over to the garden and trench compost it. So this Bokashi is going to supercharge the garden. In another 2 to 4 weeks, all these scraps should be broken down, and then it's going to add a lot of nutrients right to the garden. So when we start planting the starts for this spring, it's going to give the plants a huge jump start.